Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like a complete stranger was looking back at you? It usually happens on a random Tuesday morning under those unforgiving bathroom lights. You see the silver roots peeking through, or maybe a wash of dull gray that makes your complexion look tired and washed out. You start wondering if you have suddenly become invisible to the world. Well, let me be honest with you right now. You are not losing your spark. You are simply at a crossroads. For 30 years, I have stood behind the chair in high-end salons from London to New York. I have seen thousands of women over 60 struggle with this one massive question. Should I embrace the natural gray, or should I keep reaching for the box of dye? Actually, here's the thing. There is so much bad advice out there that is making you look decades older than you really are. Today, I'm going to share the professional secrets about gray hair that will change everything for you. I'm going to show you how to use your hair as a powerful tool to take 10 years off your face without needing a single syringe of filler. This is about achieving that vibrant, effortless beauty we all want as we age gracefully. We're going to talk about visual lifts and how the right tone can brighten your entire face instantly. It's a total game changer. By the time we're done today, you will have a clear plan to look modern and refreshed. You are not just aging, you're evolving into something more elegant. Let's get started on this journey together. Actually, before we talk about the solution, we need to address the elephant in the salon. Most of us are stuck in a beauty time warp. We're using the same logic we used in our 40s, and it's simply working against us now. Let me be honest with you. Your hair is the frame for your face. If the frame is heavy, dark, or dated, the whole picture looks tired. The first major mistake I see is what I call the solid wall of color. Many women are terrified of gray, so they reach for a dark, solid, permanent dye. Here's the thing. As we age, our skin loses pigment and becomes more translucent. When you put a solid, dark helmet of color against thinning skin, it creates a harsh contrast. It acts like a neon sign pointing directly at every fine line and every shadow on your face. It's a total visual disaster because it drains the life out of your complexion. Instead of looking younger, you look like you are trying too hard to hide something. The second problem is the muddy middle ground. This happens when you decide to go natural, but you don't have a strategy. Natural gray hair is not actually gray. It's a mix of white and your original pigment. Without the right care, it often turns a dull yellowish tone. This yellow cast makes your skin look sallow and unhealthy. You end up feeling invisible because your hair has lost its light reflecting quality. You know that feeling when you look in the mirror and everything just seems gray and flat? That's the muddy middle ground. Finally, let's talk about visual geometry and the downward drag. Gravity is a real factor after 60. If you have a long, heavy hairstyle with no layers, it pulls the eye downward. This is an optical illusion that emphasizes sagging jawlines and tired eyes. It's like wearing a heavy coat that's 2 sizes too big. It weighs you down. Many stylists just trim the ends and leave the bulk, which is a huge mistake. We need to stop the visual drag and start creating a visual lift. You would be shocked at how much an old habit is actually aging you more than the gray hair itself. It's time to stop the cycle of frustration and look at what actually works for the woman you are today. Let's talk about solution number 1, which is the ultimate transition trick called dimensional gray blending. Actually, you might hear your stylist call this herringbone highlights. This is a total game changer for the woman who is tired of seeing that harsh line of regrowth every 3 weeks. Instead of covering every single white hair with a solid blanket of paint, we're weaving in different tones of cool blonde and soft ash. This creates an optical illusion where your natural gray becomes part of a high-end color design. It means your roots are hidden in plain sight because the transition is seamless. It's the definition of low maintenance, and it gives you back hours of your life. It's effortless beauty at its finest because it works with your nature instead of against it. The second solution is all about that visual lift I mentioned earlier. I call it the soft, textured pixie with internal volume. This is perfect if you feel like your face is losing its firmness or if your features are being pulled down. By keeping the hair slightly shorter on the sides and adding height and texture on the top, we're literally drawing the eyes of everyone you meet upward. This creates an immediate lifting effect for your cheekbones and your jawline. In the salon, we use a point cutting technique to create what I call illusionary thickness. It makes thin hair look dense and full of life. For your morning routine, it's a simple wash and go. A little bit of styling cream and you're out the door looking like $1 million. Now for solution number 3, we have the structured soft blunt bob. This is for the woman who wants to keep some length but struggles with thinning ends that look a bit scraggly. You know how the ends of your hair can start to look transparent as we get older? Well, here's the thing. A blunt cut creates a strong horizontal line at the bottom. This is a visual trick that makes the hair appear much thicker than it actually is. We add very soft internal layers that you can't even see to give it movement and swing. It looks polished and professional, but it's still very modern and vibrant. Number 4 is for my ladies who want to stay completely natural and embrace their silver. We call this the silver gloss and tone treatment. Let me be honest with you. Natural gray hair can be coarse and dry. It often doesn't reflect light well, which is why it can look dull and make you feel invisible. In the salon, we apply a clear or violet-based professional gloss. This seals the hair cuticle and adds a glass-like shine. It removes that unwanted yellow cast caused by minerals in your water or heat styling. It makes your silver look like expensive jewelry. It's vibrant and it tells the world you're aging with total confidence and zero apologies. Finally, solution number 5 is the modern face framing shag. This is the secret weapon for softening a face that has become more angular over time. We use soft, wispy layers around the eyes and the cheekbones to create a soft focus effect. It's all about visual geometry. We're replacing the harsh, straight lines that highlight wrinkles with soft curves that celebrate your eyes. It's incredibly youthful and playful without looking like you're trying to be 20 again. It works beautifully with natural waves, and it's so easy to maintain. You are not just getting a haircut, you're choosing a style that evolves with you. Each of these solutions is designed to make you feel seen and celebrated. Actually, I want you to remember something very important. You are not aging, you are evolving. There's a massive difference between those two things. One feels like a loss, but the other is a gain of wisdom and grace and a refined sense of self. Whether you choose to keep your natural silver or you decide to stay with a beautiful color, the most important thing is that it makes you feel like the best version of yourself. You deserve to walk into any room feeling seen and vibrant and completely confident. I would love to hear from you directly. What is the one thing about your hair that is frustrating you the most right now? Are you struggling with thinning at the crown, or are you stuck in that muddy middle ground of growing out your gray? Please leave a comment below and tell me about your hair journey. I will be reading your comments and giving you my professional advice right there to help you find your perfect look. But before you go, let me give you a quick warning. Even if you have the perfect cut, the wrong hair color can actually make your skin look tired and gray. In my next video, I'm going to reveal the top 3 hair colors that are secretly stealing the light from your face and making you look older than you really are. You don't want to miss that one. I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful.